Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Smile. Daddy, oh. Oh? Dad. Hi, Daddy. Oh, yes. What do you want to tell Daddy? What do you want to tell Daddy? Huh? Puro naman. Oh.
Ano ba yung lips na yan? Oh, ganda na smile. Ano ba yung lips na yan? Oh. Ba yung lips na yan, oh? Oh.
Pinalimutan at tinanggihan.
Oo, nagpapakute yung lips. Nagpapakute yung lips,
oh.
Oh.
Ipasama ko ang aking pagmamahal na kabila ng aking
You know what this is, JC? You know what this is? Huh? It's a camera.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
So, showbiz na showbiz ang dating mo, baby. Showbiz na showbiz.
tulungan mo ang mga
Oh, pasay-say pa, oh.
ang walang katapusang paghihirap at pagpapakasal.
Hi.
Pag-asa.
Hello, everybody. My name is Joseph Christian Garcia Darunday. JC for short. Oh. Sos.
The preacher for the fifth word is Father Arlo Bernardo Yap, FDD, former coordinator of the FDD Secretariat for Biblical
Ba
Apostolate.
yan, JC? Titig na titig ka sa
Say
camera.
hi to the camera. Hi. Hi to all of
The
you.
fifth word is once again the Pag-ibig Fan Chorale.
Eh?
Pakataonin mo pa. Sige, pakataon mo pa first. Simban mo, oh. Ako'y mabuhaw.
Tanang titig na titig sa camera yun. Ano?
In the Gospel of St. John.
Maghahapbat.